Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix msteams.exe bad image error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then you need to go with settings. Okay. Okay, so the moment you have the click on it, please directly proceed to the left side of your screen. You can see there an option called apps, which is next to personalization in my case. Okay, here you need to go with installed apps. Okay, and here under the list of apps present in your computer, you just have to wait until this load will be done. Okay. Okay, so once it is being done, just have to scroll down and look for Microsoft Teams. Okay. So I can see it here. Just have to click this three dots aligning to that and then go with advanced options. Here you need to scroll down and click on repair. Now I want to assure you that once you have the click on it, the app's data won't be affected. Okay, just have to wait until the repair will be done. Okay, so once it's done and once it's marked checked here, just have to check if your Microsoft Teams is working fine. Okay, in my case, my Microsoft Teams is working perfectly fine. I'm not getting an error. But in your case, if you have, just have to check if your Microsoft Teams is completely working fine. But let's see if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second step. Okay, so our second step would be we need to open our Microsoft Teams again. I mean, we need to access the three dots again. Just have to wait until this load will be done. Okay, and once it is done, just have to scroll down and let's go back to our Microsoft Teams. Again, my Microsoft Teams is working perfectly fine. I'm just showing you the steps on how to fix that, okay? You just have to follow. Click the three dots there, and this time you need to go with uninstall, okay? Just have to click on uninstall, okay? Anyway, you need to remove your Microsoft Teams for the meantime in your Windows since it's not working in our I mean, if it's not working in our first step, then you need to go with uninstall. Okay, just have to click on uninstall. In my case, I won't be uninstalling my Microsoft Teams since it's working perfectly fine and I'm not getting an error. Okay, just have to click on uninstall. The moment you have the click on it, simply close this window and then you need to open your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you have that's good to go. Okay, just have to open it. Okay. And here at the search bar, please search for Microsoft Teams. Okay. The moment you've typed that, please press enter to proceed and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. Okay, so once you are here with the results, please go with the first one, which is under the Microsoft.com website. It is a very secure website you could have. Just have to click on this link so that you'd be able to continue. Okay. So just have to wait until everything are ready here. Okay. So it has these options where you can download this Microsoft Teams. Just click on download and then install that in your Windows or computer. Okay. In my case, I'll be not downloading this because I have my Microsoft Teams and it's working perfectly fine. But in your case, you have to download since you have uninstalled that earlier in our second step. Okay. So once you have downloaded it, just have to close this window and let's proceed to our last step. Okay, so our last step will be here at our file explorer. Please open it. Okay, and this time you need to proceed on your this PC and then you need to click on your C drive. Double tap to open, and here you need to go with view, click on show and then make sure that this hidden items is checked. If not, just have to tap that and it will be checked here. Okay? Once you have checked it, you need to proceed on program files. And this time you need to look for Windows apps. Oh, I can see it here. Just have to do a right click and you need to go with properties. This time here in the small window, you need to go with security, please, and then go with advanced. And the moment you click on it, just have to click on changed. Okay. And here you need to go with advanced and click on find now. Okay. So here you need to expand it first. And here's the catch. You need to select the users that is currently logged in your Windows. Okay. So just have to select it or you can use your users. In my case, I'll be using my how to fix guide since it is the current user that is logged in my Windows. You can see it here. Okay, you just have to click on OK and then click on OK once again. Okay, once you have set it, mark this check, replace honor on subcontainers and objects. Okay, and then click on apply and then OK. So just have to wait until this changing ownership of this will be done. Okay, and once you're done, just have to check if your problem please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.